I'm Justin with Brandastic, and I'm really actually excited about these three things I'm going to talk about. It's 3 ways to actually boost your revenue on your e-commerce site. We have a ton of businesses that we work with in e-commerce, and over the course of a lot of years in this space, we've learned a lot of great things, and I'm going to share those 3 key things with you. Number 1, make sure you look good. You know, visual appeal is everything these days. UI, UX, all that jargon is important for not just the search engines, but your customers. You know, how your customers find your products, that's the most important thing. And if it doesn't look good, people are gonna I gotta shop somewhere else. Everyone's so used to how good their iPhones and functionality, their iPhones and technology works these days. If your site isn't up to that standard, people are gonna check out. It's just common sense. Number 2 is make sure your site is searchable. Now, I love this because we had a client that asked us, hey, can you just look at our site and tell us what we could do better to improve the performance on people buying on our site? So we did a whole case study, a huge case study that took about a month to do and involved a lot of our team. And we found out that 70% of the people on their site actually went to the search bar to find out what they should do. Because this site had a ton of products, probably 10,000 SKUs, huge site, and people didn't want to dive through all the navigational issues to find the product they were looking for. They went right to the search engine. So the cool thing with this is the search engine was really, really tiny up in the right-hand corner, just tiny. And so we're like, hey, you guys should make this bigger. If you're giving 70% of your business is actually coming from the search bar, you gotta make that thing bigger. That's why Amazon search bar is a lot bigger, because there's so much stuff to find on Amazon, they just go right to the search bar and type it in. The second point of this search bar is in your Shopify sites or Magento sites or WooCommerce or whatever platform you're using, you usually can find in the search plugin or the use case what products are being searched the most. So it's a great way to look at that search metric and figure out, okay, if this product is being searched the most, why don't I put this product on my homepage so people can find that product easier and make sure that happens. They won't even need to go to the search bar. So those are just 2 things I've learned just in the whole search arena on your site that it's going to be super helpful for anybody that looks at that. That's a huge area for improvement if you haven't looked into it yet. Number 3 is checkout. There's so much to say on the checkout process. You know, there's a lot of people that bail out of the checkout process for any reasons. They just lose faith in the things that they put in their cart and they just leave the checkout. So the key thing is making the checkout process as simple as possible. You're gonna save a lot of headaches from losing customers. Make sure you have really good abandoned cart emails or really good marketing campaigns that follows people that don't check all the way out, that you get a really good Facebook campaign or something that circles back to get the sale back into the sales process and actually converting the sale. The big thing, how do you make this simpler? In our field, we've made this simpler by actually making everything on one page for people to check out on. That's a simple tip coming from experience that hopefully can help you. I hope these 3 things really helped you. I know I'm always learning, and I always put the mindset is if you think like a customer, you're probably gonna end up winning and making a better things happen for your website. So just take that into factor. I'll be coming out with more videos in the future. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon.